We have to drive back home. We have an 8-hour drive. It's time to land this.
Time to get that adrenaline pumping.
Oh, you're going. Wait for the.
All right, guys, we are very excited to be here at Bob Burnquist's Dreamland, and we have behind us sizable
A building.
quarter pipe.
It's a building.
30 feet.
30-foot quarter pipe. What's the biggest drop-in you've ever done?
13.
A vert ramp, which is 13. So this is bigger than double the biggest you've ever done.
Absolutely.
And today you wanna go for that.
Absolutely. Am I terrified? Yes. Am I gonna do it? Yes.
So there's a lot of stuff here. I think we're gonna go around, warm up.
Yeah.
And by we, I mean you.
Yes. All
And
right.
literally, that is a building.
It is a full building.
Nigel,
Yeah.
like, go stand next to it so we can get like a size
Yeah.
comparison. It's ridiculous.
It's a hefty one. It is absolutely massive. Woo! Oh, I'm gonna go up there.
Aaron, rolling from the top.
No! I'll die if I do that. I'll literally die.
I want to try. I didn't even bring my board because I
This
didn't
is
think
like
my
how
vert was ready.
mellow I wanted our quarter pipes though.
Oh no. Why is he like this?
We can't take him anywhere.
Bob's in his house like, who is this?
Who is this screaming outside of my house right now?
We're lucky I didn't bring my freeboard here because I would have rodeo flipped this gap.
Hey, I got the kicks in the car.
Should I go from here? Yeah. I mean, this might be like my like, this is Nigel's drop-in, this is for me. You see how much I'm,
Wobbling?
yeah.
You want to do it on this one?
No, you're really not wobbling.
No, actually, you look pretty stable on there.
Really?
You remember your
Mowgli
drop in on the
wobbles
vert
way
ramp?
more
How
than
wobbly
you.
you were? Not even close.
Really?
Yeah, you look pretty safe.
Just flex your ankles, Aaron. Just confidence. Yeah,
Yeah,
Nigel,
flex your ankles?
and do it.
No, thank
Aaron, I'm serious. Like before Nigel goes, I think you should just roll in on this, dude.
Nigel's a dang stunt man. Before Nigel goes, I will roll in on this. Right now,
Oh, he said it.
I'm going to this.
He said it.
You got it, Aaron. I mean, from manual skater to mega ramp. Oh God! Dude!
That's what I'm
That was a
talking
good
about.
kickflip
That's
too.
What I'm talking about.
Oh, three flip. Oh gosh.
You gotta fully commit when you're on mega.
How'd it feel?
Terrifying.
No,
When I drop
seriously,
in.
you were at least like 15, 20 feet up there.
When I went up on the quarter pipe.
on the curve.
I mean, it's really fast and it's really scary, but it doesn't seem that bad because you know, like, this was built for this and it's pretty, like, it's huge, but the way it was built was like mellow, if
Yeah.
that makes sense. Like the way the transition goes.
If we built this,
perfect.
however.
If we built this, everyone that touched it would just die.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that one's sick.
Oh
That's
yes.
the small people head.
Oh yeah. I could take my hat off and. Oh
at
man. It's not going anywhere.
My dad gave me that helmet.
Really?
Yeah.
This is the one.
And the colorway, everything.
It's cool.
Shit.
Yeah, use that.
right.
I'll meet you there.
Sweet.
All right. All right, so we're going to the small section so Nigel can get warmed up. The small section is bigger than anything we have at the Braille house.
The small section's like the size of Woodward.
Bob Burnquist handed me a hat or a helmet that his dad purchased for him. I'm assuming as a child, and I'm holding it right now. Gonna put it on my head. This is unreal.
But his dad gave him custom colorway. That's cool.
So here's the outside ramp.
These are the 2 starting points.
Yeah.
This side, that's safe.
I know, but we're not always safe, Aaron. Sometimes you gotta go like 0 to 100 real quick.
0 to 100, I got you. This is my favorite obstacle here.
That is huge already.
was that? Easy?
Yeah, you gotta try that.
No, I'm good. I dropped in on a vert ramp once and I said,
like, start here and then coast into there. It's just like a
Hey, you can drop into this one.
it's a very
dude, I'm here to skate the mega. I ain't going small.
That's interesting.
It's the pool
All right,
coping,
Aaron,
scares me.
You're up. No way, dude. I just drop it like that. You're up.
No way. I can't.
This side's not too bad. Yeah, it's not that bad. You know what is scary?
The roller?
Yep.
Yeah, that's probably less scary than the mega quarterpipe though.
Because what do you do on that side?
I just de-pump. It's full send around here, dog.
Right.
All right, Gabe. I guess I can't come to Bob Burnquist's house and say I at least didn't skate his ramp.
Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Dude, that is so steep. I almost got rocked on that.
Full send, brother.
Oh my goodness!
I mean, I feel like if you got that, you got mega ramp. Well, let's
This
put
is
in-
steeper than the mega ramp. That's the thing.
No, let's
Like-
put this into perspective though. This ramp is 13 feet high. From the bottom to the coping. The mega ramp quarter pipe is 30 feet high.
Yeah,
That's more than double.
but I'll be honest with you. That is much easier than this.
No way, you got that.
Absolutely, absolutely.
You got
Hold on.
that.
Let me do this like another time.
It's always good when Nigel's a little bit scared, just a little bit.
I'm still human.
Oh, bodied.
I need to go front or backside.
I don't know, man. Think you got enough speed from here? Close, right?
You gotta go a little faster than that.
It's like you're on the edge of a mountain.
Absolutely.
I didn't know
on
you
the
were
edge of a
skating
mountain.
down El Toro on flat.
Straight up.
All right, shall we go to the ramp?
Yeah.
Let's go, Mega. Okay, so he warmed up over there. Now he's going to this.
The building.
The building, 30 feet. I mean, imagine dropping in on the side of a building. That's what we're doing.
That's a really good video idea, actually, though.
Dropping in on the side of a building.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing. So, for some reason, do you think he's just gonna like put it up there and just drop?
That's exactly what I think is gonna happen.
Yeah. You want to go up and down this for a minute, or
Yeah.
should I just full send it right now and just go to the top?
Yeah, dude.
Well, you know what they say: win in Rome, eat Roman food.
I'm gonna FaceTime Danny. Predictions?
I don't know, cause you know what? I started barely like to the second piece of wood and it was sketchy.
Back 5. Here we go.
Oh my God, so scary! Mission accomplished. I'm like,
You went so high.
really?
Yeah.
That was the scariest thing ever. It does feel like you're going down. And they were saying like you gotta tighten up your legs when you hit that part. Yeah, it's
Gotcha.
scary.
With no knee pads.
No, he's gonna have knee pads, right?
Yeah.
You know, no knee pads? You're a legend?
No, it's gonna like obstruct his normal.
I feel like knee pads are just gonna mess me up. Helmet, absolutely.
It's just about as fast as that going down.
Oh, so then.
You should be good with the wobbles.
Okay.
So, just like the vert drop-in like at the bowl yesterday, but it's just like you're just gonna be waiting. Like it's not as like you have to drop so quickly. Like you just go down and you just bend your knees and hold it all the way down until you're all the way to that side. Don't stand up in the middle because you can get like you'll be like, oh, I got it, and then you just go boom.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What? Why?
Because you have so much speed. If you get wobbles down here, and like you just stand up, you're like, yeah.
Okay,
you
so
could be,
down
like,
here you're crouching.
until you slow down or you go up the ramp, and then you're good.
It's just intimidating because it's big as hell.
It's 30 feet tall.
This is more scary than being up there, walking up it. There we go. All right.
One try, that's it? You gonna do it?
I think. Pretty sure. That's the goal, is to just one and done. This is terrifying. I feel like this is gonna fall.
Let him go first. You got it. Do it on this sheet. That sheet. Because like that one has some crinkle on it. This
Yeah.
I did it like a couple times and it's fine.
It's fine. This is huge. This is absolutely massive.
How you feeling, Nigel?
Scared?
And just stay low all the way down. Like the first part, it's gonna feel like you're like kind of falling. So you like stay low and go down all the way.
It's pretty big. Whoa! Yo, this man airs out of this like, what does he do? Like 20 feet up?
Yeah, like 20 something.
An additional 20 feet after this.
20?
20. You wanna know a secret? I'm not scared of many things, but for some reason heights is one of them. Like I could jump out of a plane, that's fine.
But like without a parachute, it's not.
Yeah, that's terrifying. First off, Gabe, look at this. See, it's you just hug the wall though. That's why I'm not like.
That is literally the straightest I've ever seen a board roll.
You want to see me do it from up here?
Yeah.
So when I do it, I kind of like keep low and like I drag my hand to like, just watch. Like you got that? Did you get that, Gabe? It's just like dropping in like a hill bomb or something.
Yeah.
It's just like a hill bomb or something?
I won't.
Oh, I missed the front of it.
I'm gonna do it. Wow. That is terrifying.
Did you do an invert on it earlier?
Yeah.
Do it again,
Again?
please.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Hey, you don't have to.
Yeah,
You don't have to. It's like so scary that if somebody falls, you can't really yell bodied.
No,
You know what I mean?
it's like really rude.
You gotta kind of yell like body bag.
Oh.
3, 2, 1, go.
We have to drive back home, okay? We have an 8-hour drive. It's time to land this.
Time to get that adrenaline pumping.
Oh, you're going, wait, for the, he's just going.
Send, dude.
He's just going. Yes! Yes! Oh, you really did it! Oh, yes! That was, let's go! Yes, sir!
That was
So gnarly.
all right.
You did it.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
All right, we're going home now. It's been a great trip out here, San Diego, Dreamland. Dog, this is his helmet. Big thank you to Bob for letting us come to Dreamland, skate here and have fun and watch him completely shred. Like, dude's nuts.
What did it feel like? No, tell us how it felt. Did it feel like you were like floating?
So, did you see how I like stood up and like started leaning back?
Yeah.
When they say like it's so mellow that it takes time, that went out of my head.
I feel like your
And I
gravity was
completely
going
just like,
down faster
all right.
than you were going.
Yeah. And so I just kept thinking like, I don't know, it felt unreal.
Wow.
But there's some videos to my left. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Let us know what you want to see in the future. I hope you enjoyed this. This trip was awesome. We'll see you in the next video.